Ever wondered how you can start a business with minimal upfront cost? Have you heard about dropshipping, or more specifically, CJ dropshipping? It's a concept that's revolutionizing the world of e-commerce. CJ dropshipping is the key that unlocks the door to this exciting business model. It's a practical solution that lets you dive into the world of commerce without the need for a big initial investment. If your answer is no, then stick around with us as we unravel this innovative business model called CJ dropshipping. So, what exactly is CJ dropshipping, you might ask? Well, let's dive into that. CJ dropshipping is a comprehensive platform designed to streamline your dropshipping business. It's not just about connecting merchants to suppliers. It goes several steps further, integrating product sourcing, order processing, and shipping handling into one seamless service. Imagine having a dedicated team that scours the globe for trending products, negotiates prices with suppliers, and takes care of all the logistics. That's what CJ dropshipping does for you. And it's not just about the services. CJ dropshipping boasts an array of global warehouses from the United States to Europe and even Asia. This translates to faster shipping times, which any online shopper will appreciate. Then there's the product range. Whether you're into fashion, electronics, or home decor, CJ dropshipping offers an extensive selection of products across various niches. Essentially, CJ dropshipping is a one-stop shop for all your dropshipping needs. Now that you know what CJ dropshipping is, you might be wondering, how does it work? Well, it's quite simple. Let's break it down into steps, shall we? First, you need to select a product. CJ dropshipping has an extensive catalog of items to choose from. Whether you're into fashion, tech, or home decor, there's something for everyone. Once you've picked a product, you list it on your online store at a price of your choosing. Now, on to order placement. When a customer purchases the product from your store, you forward the order to CJ dropshipping. Here's the beauty of it all. You only pay for the product after it's been sold. This means no upfront costs and no keeping inventory. Next, CJ dropshipping steps in to handle the nitty-gritty details. They package the product, add your branding, and ship it directly to your customer. This process is seamless and efficient, ensuring your customer receives their order in a timely manner. One more thing to note is how CJ dropshipping handles returns and refunds. If a customer isn't satisfied with their purchase, CJ dropshipping manages the return process. They communicate with the customer, process the return, and provide a refund if necessary. And just like that, you can run a dropshipping business without handling any inventory or shipping. From product selection to customer satisfaction, CJ dropshipping has got you covered. So, why not give it a try? So, you see, starting a business isn't as daunting as it seems with CJ dropshipping. With CJ dropshipping, you can enter the world of entrepreneurship without worrying about huge startup costs. This platform offers you a vast selection of products to choose from. You're not just limited to what's in your local market, you have the entire globe at your fingertips. And let's not forget about shipping. It's hassle-free. You won't need to worry about packing, shipping, or tracking orders. CJ dropshipping takes care of all that for you. It's like having your own personal logistics team without the overhead costs. Now, isn't that something worth trying? A low-cost business model with a wide product selection and hassle-free shipping. It's practically a gold mine waiting to be tapped. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Remember, sharing is caring, so spread the word about CJ dropshipping.